Good morning, students. Exercise 4.1 choose it and
4.1
4.2 filling the
objective
blanks
type
and
questions.
second to 10, 6
11th
sums.
question, 12 percentage of 250 liters is the same as dash of 150 liter. 12 percentage of 250. 12 percentage of 250 is equal to 12 percentage 12 by 100 into 250. 0 0 cancel. Say that fifth table, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12. 6 into 5 equal to 6 5s are 30 liters. These 30 liters for find in the percentage. So percentage of 30 liters is equal to 30 by 150. Total number of the liter is 150 into 100. Strike out the number. 0 0 strike out. 1 3 is 3. 5 3s are 15, 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 0 equal to 20 percentage. Answer is a 20 percentage. First one, 12 percentage of 250 liters is same as dash of 150 liters. There 20 percentage is the answer. Second question, if three candidates A, B, C in a school election got 153, 245 and 102 votes. A got the votes equal to 153, B 245, C got the votes is 102 votes. So total number of the votes want to add in all the number 153, 245, 102. Add and get the answer equal to 500 votes. Now high vote is which one is B is 243. This is the winner of the votes. 243 is very high votes. Therefore, percentage of vote winners equal to 45. Highest vote winners equal to 245 divided by total number of the votes equal to 500 into 100. Strike out the number. 0 0 0 0 cancel. These two number strike out and get the answer equal to 49. So second some answer is 49 is the answer. If three candidates A, B, C in a school election got 153, 245 and 102 votes respectively, then the percentage of the vote get by the winner is dash percentage there 49 percentage. Third question, 15 percentage of 25 percentage of 10,000 is dash. First, here for 25 percentage of 10,000 you find that 25 percentage of 10,000, 25 by 100 into 10,000. Strike out the 20, remaining two number multiply and get the answer is 2,500. This number is 15 percentage of 2,500. 15 percentage 15 by 100 into 2,500. Strike out the 20, remaining two number multiply and get the answer equal to 375. So third question answer is 375. When 60 is subtracted from 60 percentage of a number to give 60. So 60 percentage of a number is known, you take in x. 60 percentage of a number, 60 by 100 into x equal to 60x divided by 100. So this number is subtracted 60, you get the answer is 60. Question from the right in 60x divided by 100 subtracted for using the symbol is minus 60 is equal to 60 is the answer. To get it the answer also 60. 60x divided by 100 equal to minus 60 equal to after plus 60. 60 plus 60 equal to 120. 60x divided by 100 equal to 120. Do in the cross multiplication. 60x is equal to 120 into 100. X equal to this 60 right divided by. So cancel and write means 0 0 cancel. 1 6 is 6, 2 6 are 12. X equal to 200. So 14th question answer is 200 is the answer. If 48 percentage of 48 equal to 64 percentage of x, 48 percentage of 48 equal to 60 percentage of x. 48 by 100 into half, you symbol is into 48 equal to 64 into x. Down, 0, left and right side you cancel first. So remaining number is 48 into 48 equal to 64 into x. X value find the 64 divided by 64. Cancel and write means answer equal to 36. X equal to 36. Next, profit, loss, discount, overhead, expenses and GST, goods service tax. What is the meaning of cost price, selling price, profit or gain, loss? See that formula. Cost price, the amount for which an article is bought is called its cost price. An article is sold is called is selling price. Is denoted the short form is SP. Profit or gain. Now SP is more than the CP. SP is more than the CP, that is called the profit. Profit or gain formula equal to SP minus CP. Loss, SP is less than CP is called the loss. So loss formula equal to CP minus SP. Okay, now formulas, gain percentage or profit percentage formula equal to profit by CP into 100 percentage. Loss percentage equal to loss by CP into 100 percentage. Now profit percentage and cost percentage is calculated as cost price. Okay, this is very very important. Profit percentage and loss percentage is always calculated on the cost price. Selling price is they have the two formula. So say selling price SP equal to 100 plus profit percentage divided by 100 into CP. They are given in the profit percentage. CP also they are given. Find the SP for formula. SP equal to 100 plus profit percentage divided by 100. Or this one CP instead of writing in the cost price. CP equal to 100 by 100 plus profit percentage. Change and write. CP equal to 100 by 100 plus profit percentage into SP. Next one is selling price. Selling price for loss. Profit for two formula. Loss for also two formula. Selling price 100 minus loss percentage divided by 100 into CP. So there cost price there CP equal to 100 by 100 minus loss percentage into SP. So selling price, profit for two formula, selling price, loss for that two formula. Profit they are given and SP ask means plus from 100 plus profit percentage divided by 100 into CP. Suppose their cost price ask means 100 by 100 plus profit percentage into SP. Selling price SP equal to 100 minus loss percentage by 100 into CP. The same loss given and CP ask means 100 by 100 minus loss percentage into SP. There are up and down change and writing. That's all the formula. Discount. That you know that Adi festival and some festival for that given in the Deepavali festival for given in the some discount in the shop or not. Discount. What is the meaning of discount? Some shop for some festival for that given in the discount 30% discount. Some old things stocks for that given in 50% discount. That is called the discount. Okay. Marked price. What is the marked price? In big shops and departmental store, we see that every product is tagged with a card and a price marked on it. This price marked on the card is called the marked price. That is called the marked price. Selling price, marked price given and they are asking in selling price is selling price formula equal to marked price minus discount. Overhead expenses. Traders, retailers and shopkeepers are involved in the buying and selling of goods. Sometimes when article like machinery, furniture, electronic items etc. are bought, A few expenses may happen on their repairs, transportations and labor charges, etc. That is called the overhead expenses. Cost price is equal to cost price plus overhead expenses. Discount percentage equal to discount by market price into 100% is the formula. Discount percentage for formula equal to discount by market price into 100%. Next, goods and service taxes. Services taxes, GST. Full form is goods and services taxes. Is the only common tax in India level on almost all the goods and the services mean for domestic consumptions. The GST is remitted by the traders and the consumers alike and is also one of the main sources of income to both the central and state governments. Central government and state governments to also include, that is called the GST. There are three types of GST, namely central GST, state GST, integrated GST. Three types of GSTs there have. For union territories, there is UTGST. The union territories, that is UTGST. The GST is shared by the GST amount is shared by the central and the state government equally. There are also many products like egg, honey, milk, salt, etc., which are the exemption from GST. Products like petrol, diesel, etc. do not come under GST and they are taxed separately. The GST Council has fitted for over 1000 goods and 500 services under from the tax labels, namely 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. Loss and gain percentage. First, exercise 4.2, filling the blanks. Loss or gain percentage is calculated on the cost price. See the formula. Profit or gain percentage, CP divided profit divided by CP, loss percentage also loss by CP. So 2 also is always calculated as cost price. So first filling the blanks, answer loss or gain. Loss or profit percentage is always calculated on the cost price. A mobile phone is sold for 8,400 rupees. Sold meaning is SP, selling price, and at a gain of 20%. Gain meaning is profit percentage they are given in 20%. The cost price of the mobile is dash. What is the cost price of the mobile? Selling price is they are given, cost gain profit percentage also they are given, find in the CP. So SP formula equal to, what is the formula? SP is that given. SP equal to 100 plus profit percentage or gain percentage divided by 100 into CP. 8,400. SP value equal to 8,400 is equal to 100 plus profit percentage equal to 20%. They are writing 20 only, right number right means enough, divided by 100 into CP. This CP value want to find there. Now 100 plus 20 equal to 120 by 100. This 100 do in the cross multiplication, 8,400 into 100 into 120 into CP. CP value there find, so 120 divided by 120 you write. Cancel and write means answer equal to CP value equal to 7,000. So a mobile phone is sold for 8,400 at a gain 20%. The cost price of the mobile is, what is the answer? 7,000. So rupees 7,000 you write it the answer, rupees 7,000. Third, filling the blanks. An article is sold for rupees 555 at a loss of 7.1/2%. the cost price of the article is dash. The same formula that are given in loss for using the symbol is minus. SP equal to 100 minus loss percentage divided by 100 into CP. SP sold meaning is selling price. So 555 equal to 100 minus loss percentage is 7 1 by 2. Write it the number only right enough divided by 100 into CP. This step very carefully you see. Given the fraction is mixed fraction, change into the improper fraction. 100 minus 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15 by 2 divided by 100 into CP. Now this up number only check that 2 denominator also different. So do in the cross multiplication for by 2 first you write. 2 into 100 equal to 200 minus 15 divided by already they are given in the by 100 you write into CP. 200 minus 15 divided by this 2 down you write 2 into 100 equal to 200. Now 555 equal to 200 minus 15 divided by 200 into CP. Minus and right means 185. This 200 do in the cross multiplication. 555 into 200 is equal to 185 into CP. Now CP value equal to 185 into change into the division down you write. All the one cancel and write means answer equal to cancellation very carefully you see there. Use in the fifth table. 1 1 1 5 is 5 1 5 is 5 1 5 is 5. Now here 3 5s are 15 remaining 3 7 5s are 35. 137 is 37. 3 37s are 111. 3 into 200 equal to 600. Now the CP value equal to rupees 600 is the answer. Rupees 600. Next one, a mixer grinder marked at 4,500 rupees is sold for selling price is 4,140. After discount, the rate of discount is dash. Discount equal to marked price minus discount price. So to minus and right means 4,500 minus 4,140 equal to 360 rupees. This is the discount amount. Therefore find in the rate of discount for discount by marked price into 100. Discount equal to 300 is find out the answer 360 divided by marked price equal to 4,500 into 100. 0 0 cancel first. 5 2s are 10, 9 5s are 40. 1 9 is 9, 4 9s are 36. They are having the 4 2s are 8. 360 divided by 4,500 into 100. 0 0 first you strike out there. Use in the fifth table. 5 7s are 35 remaining 1 5 2s are 10. Here 9 5s are 45. 9 8s are 72. Any method also you strike out, get it the answer equal to 8%. Now discount percentage is equal to how much percentage there? 8% is the answer in fourth question for. Fifth question, the total bill amount of a shirt costing 575 and a t-shirt costing 325 with GST of 5% is dash. So bill amount formula equal to CP into 100 plus GST percentage divided by 100. CP value equal to 575 into 100 plus GST equal to 5%, 5 divided by 100. 575, 100 plus 5 equal to 105 divided by 100. Now these two number you multiple 575 and 105 you multiple and get the answer equal to 60375 divided by 100. So 100 for 20, so keep in the point last to keep. So rupees 603.75 rupees. Now answer equal to rupees 603.75 rupees. Next, cost price of the t-shirt is what is that given 3,725. Their GST equal to 5%. Bill amount formula CP into 100 plus GST percentage divided by 100. 325 plus 100 plus 5 divided by 100. 105 by 100. Now these two number multiple and get the answer equal to 34,125 divided by 100. 100 for 0 keep in the point 341.25. This 341 also here you write 341 point plus 341 point what is the answer 25. 25. These two also add and write. Add and write the answer equal to 945. 603 plus 75 plus 341 plus 25 equal to what is the answer? 945. The last filling the answer is what is the answer? 945 rupees. 945. This and all no need write. There you add and write, here write the answer enough. So last question answer is what is the answer? 945. Second sum. If selling an article for 820 causes 10% of loss on the selling price, then find its cost price. Selling price SP is what is that given? 820 rupees. SP equal to selling price, SP equal to 820. Loss percentage is what is that given? 10%. Now SP is that given, loss percentage also that given, CP there want to find. Find the cost price. SP equal to CP into 100 minus loss percentage divided by 100. This is the formula. SP value equal to 820, you substitute that value. CP equal to CP into this bracket, meaning start the bracket 100 minus loss percentage is 10. 10 only right. Divided by 100. 10 minus 100 minus 10 equal to 90 by 100. Now into symbol, after what is there have 90 by 100, that going for equal to left side is up you write in the 100, down you write in the 90. So 820 into 100 divided by 90 equal to CP. 0 0 cancel. These two number multiple. 820 into 10 equal to 8200 divided by 9 equal to CP. So these two number divide and get the answer equal to 911.1111 is going on the number. So these two, point after 5 below only. So leave it the number. Answer is CP equal to cost price equal to rupees 911. So must you know the formula only can able to do the sum. So SP you substitute that value, CP value find there. 100 minus 10 equal to 90 by 100. These two numbers equal to, after how to they are going up, down have the number, up you write, up have the number, down you write. So 820 into 100 divided by 90, cancel and write and get it. The answer is rupees 911. Third question. If the profit earned on selling, if the profit earned on the selling an article for 810 rupees is the same as loss on selling it for 530, then find the cost price of the article. Profit formula equal to what is the formula? SP minus CP. Profit formula equal to SP minus CP. Profit don't know. So P denoted letter is P you write is equal to SP equal to what is there given? Selling price on the article equal to 810 minus CP. This is the first step. Second step is they are given in the loss. First profit for the right finish. Next loss. Loss equal to formula CP minus SP. Loss for L equal to CP minus SP value equal to they are given in 530 rupees. Now 2 also equal. So they are given in, then the cost price of the article you want to find is the same of the loss. So now profit and loss also same one word is there given, so equal there. First one for profit, for what is their answer? 810 minus CP is equal to CP minus 530. Now this minus 530 there equal to, before you change the symbol, plus 530. So 810 plus 530 is equal to CP. This minus CP here comes plus CP. Here one CP, here one CP. Total how many CP is there? Have 2 CP. 1340 equal to 2 CP. CP equal to these two you write in down. 1340 divided by 2. Cancel and write. Answer equal to 670 rupees. Now CP value equal to rupees 670 rupees is the answer. Very easy the sum. Profit equal to, they are given for profit formula SP minus CP. Profit value is how much? Don't know. You write in P equal to 10 minus CP. Step 2 for loss equal to CP minus SP. L equal to CP minus 530. Now 2 also same they are given. So step 1 equal to step 2. Step 1 answer is what is that one? Profit. Step 2 answer is loss. Profit is equal to loss. This value you write 810 minus CP equal to CP minus 530. So number here change and write. 530 here plus 530 minus CP plus CP. Add and divide and get the answer equal to 670 rupees. Fourth question, if the selling price of 10 ruler is the same as the cost price of the 15 rulers, 10 price of the selling price of the ruler is same as the cost price of the 15 rulers. Find the profit percentage. Cost price of one ruler be X. So 10 ruler is there given. So you find in one ruler value equal to X. Therefore, SP of 10 rulers is equal to CP of 15 rulers is there given. Now CP value equal to what is the value? Cost price X. X into 15 equal to 15X. Therefore, SP of 10 ruler is equal to 15X. Therefore, SP of 1 ruler equal to 10 you write in down. 10 ruler cost equal to 15X. Therefore, 1 ruler is equal to 15 by 10X. Divide and write means answer equal to 10 for 1.5x. Gain formula equal to SP minus CP. SP value equal to 1.5x minus CP value equal to cost price of one ruler equal to what is the taking there? X. X meaning is what is the meaning? 1x for here point 1.5. So I am writing here 1.0x. 2 also minus and write means answer equal to 0.5x. This is the gain value. Gain percentage equal to gain by CP into 100 or profit percentage equal to profit by CP into 100. Gain value equal to 0.5x divided by x. CP value equal to x into 100. X you cancel. 0.5 into 100 you multiple and write 500. Point after one number for put in the 0 and strike out the 0. So 50 percentage is the answer. Fifth question. Some article are bought at 2 for 15 rupees, sold at 3 for 25 rupees, 2 for 15 rupees. Some articles 3 for 25 rupees. Find the gain percentage. Some articles are bought. Bought meaning is a CP. 2 for how much rupees they are given? 15 rupees. So 2 into CP equal to 15 rupees. 2 into CP. 2 value bought for CP cost price equal to 15. CP equal to 15 by 2. Selling price for sold for 225. So 3 into SP equal to 25. So SP equal to 25 by 3. This is the cost price. This is the selling price. Gain formula equal to SP. Profit or gain. Formula equal to SP minus CP. SP value equal to 25 by 3 minus 15 by 2. 2 also different. So do in the cross multiplication. First you write multiple the number. 3 2s are 6. 25 into 2. 3 into 15. So 25 2s are 50 minus 3 15s are 45. Minus and right means 5 by 6. Now gain value equal to 5 by 6. Gain percentage or profit percentage equal to gain by CP into 100. Gain value equal to 5 by 6. CP value equal to, here writing no, 15 by 2. CP value equal to 15 by 2. See here 5 by 6 by 15 by 2 into 100. First you write in 5 by 6. This division change into the multiplication. This number you write in the reciprocal. So 2 by 15 by 2, how do they write? 2 by 15 into 100. 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15. 1 by 9 into 100. 1 into 100 equal to 100 by 9. Divide and write means 11 1 by 9 percentage. 11 1 by 9 percentage.
Thank you.